Dan here from Hammonasset Ford, and I want to show you some features on the 2018 F-150 Platinum key fob. Now on the key fob, you have your usual lock and unlock buttons, as well as a remote start and a tailgate release. Now let me show you how to use those. So to unlock the car, you simply press the unlock button once, and it'll simultaneously unlock all 4 doors, including the tailgate. To lock the vehicle, you press the lock button, and it'll simultaneously lock all 4 doors, including the tailgate. Now to use the remote start, you have to lock the doors and then press the lock button again till you hear the horn honk. Once you hear that honk, you can proceed to pressing the remote start button twice and the car will start right up. Let me show you. Now, as well as starting the vehicle, you can also stop the engine from the key fob by pressing the remote start button once. Now, let me take you to the back of the car and I'll show you what you can do with the tailgate. So with your key fob, if you press the tailgate release button twice, it will open the tailgate for you. As such. Now come on down to Hammonasset Ford, ask for me, and we'll get you in one today.